This thread isn't just stitching fabric. It carries my dreams, my struggles, my love. Some may say, oh, it's just a hobby. But I know this little hobby has become my identity. Behind every design lies sleepless nights and the quiet strength of a woman who whispered, I will create something of my own. Dear friends, if you have a craft in your hands, don't hide it. Don't let the noise of the world silence your gift. Even one small stitch today can become a spark of inspiration for thousands tomorrow. Your embroidered flower, your little creation, might bring someone peace, might give someone hope to say, if she can do it, maybe I can too. So start today. Start small, start slow, but never stop. Let your needle and thread become a story of courage for every woman watching.